Hello, my name is Mara Zamora. My course is 4F. I am cooking Colombian beans and a pressure cooker. First step is to peel the tomato and onion. Now I cut the onion and tomato in a smaller
Pieces.
And then we put
Them.
them in the chopper. Now we heat the pressure cooker. Now we add some oil.
Better. Yeah.
Put to fry the mix in the pressure cooker. We add salsina and cayenne. Now we mix it. Now that the mix has fried, we add the beans. Mix it all. We let to fry the beans. Add the water. Salt and auyama. Put the lid on the pressure cooker. And finally, we'll let to cook beans for 45 minutes. Bye.